Welcome to Green Door, Pearl's new home management app for homeowners. Green Door is a one-of-a-kind app for you to create a sticky lifetime relationship with your homeowners. Green Door is a homeowner's one-stop shop to learn about, manage, maintain, and improve their home's performance. Let's walk through some of the features in Green Door. Green Door's dashboard is the hub for a homeowner. It gives them a quick overview of their home and highlights their Pearl professionals. Green Door's Partner Search connects your homeowners back to you and helps new homeowners find high-quality contractors like you for home improvement projects. No other app gives homeowners the peace of mind knowing that any contractor they connect with has met Pearl's qualifications to be part of our elite Pearl contractor network. The homeowner can also rest easy knowing that any work done by their Pearl contractor will be third-party certified by Pearl. A homeowner can easily navigate to review the details of their home record, access their Pearl certification report, appraisal addendum, and other supporting documents. They can also see the details on the equipment you have installed. Green Door is designed to continually bring homeowners back into the app and allow them to track their home maintenance tasks in one place. Homeowners can select from our suggested tasks or create a task from scratch. They can easily add the task to their calendar and configure email or push notifications when the task is due. Interested in learning more about Pearl and Green Door? Connect with us at pearlcertification.com.